Hello, welcome to Monita's World. Hey guys, this is Monita and my friend Srihas. We're here again at strawberry picking. This is City Hall Farm and we are doing a vlog on it. So right here we are purchasing the baskets for picking the strawberries. So there's a field a bit more farther from this place. You can walk there, not long at all. So when you get to the field, take the basket and pick the strawberries from the field. And this is the field. My sister is tasting one of the strawberries we picked. Here comes my sister's friend Ditya's. Right here my mom washed a strawberry and I want to taste it. This one is really sweet, and I like it. Look at how many strawberries I got. So many. And right here, there is a hayride, but we didn't go on the hayride because it was too full. So there were sheep, and there were pigs, there were roosters, and I saw one of the roosters laying eggs. Next things, so there was this fun water game. It's like there's something that you push on, and then there are these pipes that they cut into half, and you put a rubber ducky inside the pipe, and then when you push that thing, the water comes out, and then the water gives the force to push the duck. So right here, there was a playground made out of an old fire engine, and we had tons and tons of fun. And there was a maze too, which me and my friend Srihas figured out. And the balance beam. So I almost managed to fall down, but I didn't, so I'm happy. We still did have a lot of fun. My friend, we both had good balance. My sister too, she balanced very good. And we had a lot of fun. We went to a Mexican restaurant, Chipotle, and we had a lot of food there. We had a salad, but we also had some ice cream from the Marble Slab Creamery.